Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Udemy courses. So let's begin. First, you need to go onto the official website. Make sure you're logged in on the correct account. Now over here, click and hover down to your profile icon, select My Learning. So I'm already on the website. So let me just go ahead and select any course. For example, this is actually a very great course. We're just going to use this as an example. Click on it. Let's wait for a few seconds. Now over here, this is what we want. There's going to be a three dot icon in here. Click on that and it will actually show you the option to request for a refund. For me though, this course was very great, but they do have a policy that the refund is only available within 30 days, and thus this cannot be refunded. But if you purchase yours in less than 30 days, then you still have the option to do that. Just make sure to emphasize in detail why you would like to get a refund for this certain course. And that's it. That's how you get this done. I hope you found this video very helpful.